saying don't press the button 4. This game's mean like there is one button as you can see, it's now red, but when it goes to green, it got so chaotic part like we can get many adventures and like that. So yeah, we have to press the button, but it says on the cover don't press the button. Like see now, yes, now let me just press it. Like everyone get off. You just press it. Yes, now you have pressed it. Get to the water. So now it's saying us to get to the water. So let's get. Oh my god, I died. Like see now game has restarted. So this is all about this game. So let's find out what we can find like more adventurous. Like okay, let's go. Okay, buddy, let's okay. A storm. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Like air is like kind of pushing us down there. Like I see. See if I will leave my it's alright, it's alright. Let's press the what's this? Color the most amount of tiles. Okay, you have to like kind of color the tiles. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, 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 okay. Here we go, here we go. Here we go. Here we go, here we go. Like it's so simple, you have to color the tiles real quick. Let's color. Everyone do it fast. Let's color this, let's color this, let's oh my god. Like you have to only do like most amount of tiles, so like we can do as if we want. Let's do it real quick. Here we go, here we go, here we go. So let's go. So let me just color this too, let me just color this too. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh my god. I'm actually cooking. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Let's go. As the corporations 1 point. I think I got the most points, so let's put it, let's on it. Yo, okay. Hey, push the curve of the lobby. Let's push this. Yo, what you're doing? Like, I wanna push this thing out, and what this guy is doing. Okay, let's push, let's push. Okay, I think we should have to. Oh my god. Oh my god, we died. Okay, we are back. So like I don't think it's your stand clear of the fires. Oh my god, what am I doing right there? See. Yo, what's this? Oh my god, I'm gonna burn. See, now I'm gonna burn. When it will come, I'm gonna burn. What happened to me? I don't know, I'm gonna burn. No, see. Hey yo, I'm not burning. The heck? The heck is this? Okay. One player survived. Okay, why one players? Like why are saying one players? Okay, let's go. Now the button, buddy. The button. Oh my goodness. I think I survived. Yo, I'm lagging. I know. Ew. Did you see that? Like I got my poster right in there. Now what do you have to do? Oh shit. Okay, what do you have to do in here? Like what's like I think you have to yo, what do you have to do? With this thing, what do you have to do? What do we have to do? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I think I have to break out. Like water is coming in. Hey, what? No. I know. I think for our long survival, we should like kinda get on this thingy. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, they got in there. Look at this guy. Oh my god, I know he's gonna be the one to be surviving. Hey, yo, come here, buddy. Come here once. Let me just grind you. Oh my god, we're dying. Broken window, repair. I repaired it. Oh my god, I died. Okay, I think there's another like round going on. Let's check out. Oh, I think I did that only water round, but it was kinda hard, buddy. I don't understand what I had to do, but I was doing like for my longest survival. But yeah, never mind. That's one of the things that always happens to me. Like I never use my brain. Okay, we're back. Yo, button pressure, like there was my photo in there. I will show you earlier. Okay, The person clicked the button most times to will. Okay, I have to press this button. I have to press this button. Let's press. Press it real quick. Let's go. Oh, I actually corporation won. Oh my god, I actually won. See guys, you are not like and subscribing to me. Click the door. Why? Like guys,
Who's that?
please like and subscribe to me guys. Like why you are not? You are watching videos but not like and subscribing. Please like and subscribe to my channel so you get more like this. Hey, what's happening? Click door. Oh my god, let's click. I'm gonna click. Hey yo, I clicked. See this? Bananas. See my photo. Oh my god. See guys, this is the guy. This is the guy. Okay, what do you have to do now? Okay, let's stay away from the pumpkin monster. Oh, I know. In this, like, there's one pumpkin monster real quick, so we have to kind of get away from him. But where is he? I'm with this guy right over real quick. Why are you jumping, buddy? Chill. Stay away from the pumpkin monster remaining. Okay, there. Like, it's the time. How many people are remaining? But where is the pumpkin monster? And I'm with this guy right real quick. Hey yo, pumpkin monster, come here. We have some bananas. You want some bananas? You can peel us off. Okay, like I can't eventually like see the pumpkin monster. Where is he? Oh my goodness! Did you see what was that? What was that right off this gate? What was that? Is it not pumpkin monster? Like there's some kind of light in that side. In that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, the monster has died. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Monster has died. Okay. Oh. Yes, still bananas. Stay away from the lightning. Yo, where's the lightning? Oh, there it comes. Okay, like we got some disadvantage that we can't run eventually. Like we have so low speed. My God. Oh my. Oh, oh my God. Oh my God. Many people died. Oh my God. Oh my God. Dead banana. Oh my goodness. Look what's happening. Am I gonna survive? Hey, yo, brother, did you know what it... My god. Ayo! How I died? Like, lightning got on the, like, besides of me. Then how I died? Let me just click it. Vacation! Oh my god, we are on vacation now. Yeah, they are. I'm chilling. I'm the leader. What's up, buddies? I'm the leader. Vacation. Nah, I'm the leader. What are you looking at? See my photo again. Let me just climb myself. Buddy. What are you looking at, huh? See this, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, let me just go to this backpack. Oh, I got this thingy. Oh, it's to drink. Like, see, I'm drinking. Ayo, why this thingy is my nose? See this. Oh my god. Ayo, from where you get this all money? Who clicked the button? Oh, this girl. Ew, what's ew? Okay, let me just click. Knock on the door. I know. I don't think Ma knocked on the door. Here you go, candy for you all. Hey, I wanna get inside, buddy. Oh, okay, I don't think they're gonna get inside. Hey yo, candy for all. Okay, let's click the button real quick. I'm gonna click it. Who clicked? Stay clear of moving platform. Oh my god. Which platform is moving now? We are just chilling in this platform. And yeah, the best option is to stay this move so that we can know. Yes, sir. Yeah. Oh my god. I think, yep. I knew this is gonna move. I actually knew. Let's jump on this real quick. Let's jump. Okay, we go. Okay. Now I think it's... Oh my god. Oh! We did it. We saw it. Oh my god, what's happening? Oh, I didn't see that platform. Oh my god, I got in pieces. Still have moving platforms. Now where? Oh, can you just go? No, we can't go back to the game. Oh no. Let's hide under this tree. Hey, what's up, chiller? Hey, what is actually doing? Hey, yo, I'm lagging. Hey, wait a minute. That's not. Okay. I messed up. I messed. Oh my god, I'm actually messing up. Okay, what you have to do in here? It is when this block appears, you have to jump on it and we died. We have to die. Let's do it again. No, we have to jump on it. We have to jump on this. Jump on this. We have to jump on this. Appear buddy. We have to jump on this. We have to jump on this. Easy, easy. And I'm not gonna take any risk. Okay, it's so easy. Okay, never mind. Let's go. No. When I was like, hey yo, why on the button? Get up. Hurry to the ground. Oh my god, let's hurry. Oh my goodness. Let's go. I'm in. I'm gonna press the button. I'm gonna be the one to be pressing the button. What's this? What? Jump over the lasers. Okay, there he goes. There we go. Okay, here we go. Very easy. Oh, we survived. My god, here you go. Everyone is jumping. Here we go. Yes, sir. You're always jumping. Oh my god. We did it. Yes, sir. Actually, kinda easy. Oh, oh, oh my god. What's this? Oh, what? Oh my god, my friend. This guy died. Oh, I'm the only one surviving. Oh my god. Oh, I actually died. Okay, I'm gonna be the one. Watch out for the mummy. Oh, do you see that mummy right there? My god, can you get inside of the. Hey, yo. It was like mummy right there. And hey. I like under that mummy right there. And let me just go like straight off the button so that I can click it. Oh my god, see this mummy. What's up, buddy? What's up? You can't catch us now. Okay, let's go. Oh, yes, sir. Let me just press it. Who pressed it? I pressed it. Ouch. Ouch. Oh my god. So, everyone died. Yeah, see my picture right there, huh? Let's press it. Let me just press it. I pressed it. Is this some kind of fight? If you're fighting here, no, never mind, buddy. Never fight. We should don't never fight. You bacon. Jump on the logs to reach the end. Okay, like we have to jump off the logs real quick. Here we go. Whoa. Messed up. Here we go. Hey. I again messed up. Here we go. And here we go. Oh my god, how many levels are right out there? Here we go. Now. Yo, am I in the. No, I'm in the second level only. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. See what happened? Hey yo, I see me. I'm under. Yo, what's happening? Okay. Hey. Okay, never mind. Here we go. Hey yo, I'm gonna first to press the button. I'm gonna be the first. Avoid getting frozen to the end. Oh my god. Let's go. Oh, that's it coming now. Let's go. Okay. Yo, it's my base. Go off. Okay. I thought I retried it. Where's that? Oh my god, he's freezing. Oh my god. I made it. You won. SD Corporation 07. Yes, sir. Random fate. Yes, sir. We made it. Hey, yo. Yo, is anyone? Oh. Is anyone there? No one there? Oh my god. Oh. Bacon. You did it. Oh my god. You did it. Mind if I push you? No. Fine. I want this all cool stuff right there. But okay, we have one. Yo, what? Okay, buddy, it's over now. Okay, now yeah, I think he's dead. Yeah, he's dead. Alright. So now let's end the game. Oh, two heroes right there. See two. Okay, never mind. Never mind me. Put out the fires. Where's the fire? Okay. Where are the fires? Where are the fires? Oh, there we got the fire. Oh, hey yo. Where the fire again? Oh, there it is. It's cool, right? Oh. If I get there, I don't know parkouring. Okay, let's go. We are putting out the fires real quick. Simple part-time job. Oh no. Hey yo buddy, I'm here to help you. If you can't, red won. Are we? Yeah, we won. We are the red. Oh my god, see my picture right there. Go this spinning laser. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey yo, you're cheating. This guy's cheating. This Ronaldo's cheating. But it's actually cheating. That's not right. Well, cheating. Cheater? Get off. Who clicked? What happened? Oh, everyone is freezing now. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna keep applying. Bad weather. Oh. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Hey, don't hide under this guy. Take under cover, buddy. Oh. Yo. Am I gonna survive in this place? Oh my god. What are you doing? You don't come. Hey yo, what are you doing? Hey yo, what are you doing? Oh my god, he's like creating something for us. Yeah, you're not, buddy. Okay, it already ended. Nothing. Hey, what's the? Stay at the top for the longest time to win. Hey, yo, why my battery is like always kinda low? But never mind, let's go. Ayo. Yo, don't kill me. He killed me. I'm back. Who's not there? Who's right there? Who's you? Oh, you pushed me. Let's get back. Just get my revenge real quick. I know he's hiding out of this. Get off, everybody. Okay, see. The matter is dead. First, we have to do is hide here. Get off. Yes sir, get off. He gets me off. Okay, now it's time for us to like kind of charge them out. Get off. No. I lose, I think. I think, yeah, I won. SD Corporation's won, buddy. Phantom Fit is always winning. Slide down. Oh, easy. We are going to water park. Sue. Hey, yo. How am I sliding? Yo, what's it? Oh, brother. Okay, we got another chance to slide. Slide then. Why I'm sliding like that? You have to slide like this, buddy. Yup. You understand? Yo, I'm sitting. I'm just chilling around. I'm just a guy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. No, please. No. Yo, everyone is here. Yep, everyone is here. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Click on, click on, click on. Reach the end. Where's the end? Okay, we have to do it. Okay, let's go. Ayo, we don't have to touch it, I think. Yeah. Okay, they're already like winners too. Oh my god, it's so hard. Like, how they're winning. Okay, I think it's like this. We have to go like this, 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 this. Yo, how I died? I did it correctly. Like how I died. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, 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 okay. Oh my god, I died again. Let's go. Ayo, why let's go, buddy. Like it's kinda challenging. Yep. Oh, it's so like easy to do. Get quickly to the top. Oh my god, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Oh yo, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. No? Oh no, I died. This bacon is right there. And that chimp girl. Yo, what? How we can buy that? Why there's like always like money thingy in Robux? Like you guys are not subscribing me. That's why I'm not able to buy this thingies. How do you guys understand? Press reach the bottom. Oh my god. What's this? Everyone is falling. Yo, what's this? Like everyone is kind of fallen. Ooh, it's like if it touched it, like we are gonna die. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Did I made it? Yeah, winner as the corporations. That means winner is Flan of Fate. You shitty ya bacon. I am the first one to win. Okay, let me check out. Okay. So guys, I may think this is all for today's video. So if you guys also like watching my videos, so please like it. Okay, never mind. Oh, grab the most rings. How to grab it? How to grab it? Oh, we have to get to this rings real quick. Okay. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Where are the most rings? Who won? So guys, this is all for today's video. If you also like my video, so please like and subscribe to my channel and give me the most views so we can also buy some Robux and get on the battle. So yep, thank you for this. So this is the end for today's video and bye. Yo, what's the yep and bye. Yo, what's yo, no. Okay. So this is all for today's video and bye. I'll be meeting you in my next video real quick. So for this, bye.